Shandong Imagery Aluminum Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of aluminum doors and window system, curtain wall, sunroom glass house system, outdoor furniture, all kinds of building materials. We are located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as European, Spain, Southeast Asia, North America, Australia, Japan, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters, with 376 employees, more than 8 years of production and engineering experience, 22 advanced production lines. The annual output of 300,000 square meters can meet the large-scale project production and customer needs. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.